Some coins are given a designation as part of their grade. For example, a 1909 Lincoln cent, mint state 64 red. Red is the designation. Designations can have a dramatic effect on a coin's value. Some of the more common designations are listed here. When a copper coin is minted, it is a bright orange color. These coins are designated red. Over time, exposure to the environment, specifically to air and humidity, causes copper coins to gradually turn brown. During the time when the coin is changing to brown, it is termed red/brown. When less than 5% of the coin is red, the coin is termed brown. Copper coins that have their original color are valued over brown coins, which is why it is important to store these coins properly. When coins are struck with new dies, more of the details are brought out. Over time, as the dies wear, the coins are not as detailed. The bands at the center of the reverse of a mercury dime are the first part of the coin to lose detail as the die wears. So, when these coins have the full split bands intact, they are designated as such. This identifies the coins as having a strong strike. Full bell lines is another designation that focuses on the quality of strike. For Franklin halves, the lines at the lower part of the bell are the first part of the coin to lose detail as the die wears. So when these coins have the full bell lines intact, they are designated as such, again identifying the coins as having a strong strike. Full head is yet another designation emphasizing the strike of the coin. Liberty's head is the first part of the coin to reflect wear on a die, so if the head has full details, it is given the full head designation. The Prooflike and Deep Mirror Prooflike designations are given based on the mirror-like surfaces on the coin. The difference between the two designations is the amount of reflectivity. In other words, if you can read the reflection of printed text when the coin is 2 to 4 inches away from the text, it is Prooflike. If you can still read the text past 4 inches, it is Deep Mirror Prooflike. The cameo designation is given to coins with a strong contrast between the frosty devices on mirrored fields on both sides of the coin. When this contrast is dramatic on both sides, the deep cameo designation is given. Here are some examples that show how designations can have a dramatic effect on the value of coins. Knowledge of the designations can be very useful in valuating a coin, especially if the coin is not certified. This has been an introduction to designations in grading coins. These designations are subjective in nature, especially in the ungraded coin marketplace. The best grading companies have clearly defined the parameters for their use in providing accurate designations for grades. The designations reviewed here are the most popular ones, but there are others. Here is a Morgan dollar with the Ultra Deep Mirror designation.